Good morning, have a great Thursday. We finally saw some much needed rain, but with the rain came power outages yesterday. Nobody wants that. Now here's the story. Throughout the day today, less coverage of rainfall, but still some scattered showers and thunderstorms. A cold front swinging its way on through. Now the cold front's also going to provide us with cooler temperatures. Forecast highs will only top out in the 80s. However, humidity is going to be on the high side, so heat index values still expected to be in the 90s. I think the rain showers slowly wind down as we head into our Friday, although a couple of showers still possible, but they do ramp up as we get into the upcoming weekend, and even more so next week. Actually, we go from a dry weather pattern to an extremely wet weather pattern, and that's the story. So as these showers start to ramp up around the area, check in every once in a while with the East Tennessee Weather app. Just go to your app store, search East TN Weather, all one word, and download it today. Got an amazing interactive radar with current, past, and future cast, all of 2 hours. Have a great day.